here we give you the Jetsetter Gin and Tonic. Cheers. And this is like true Jetsetter style. We've done a little twist again in it, and you'll see that in just a little bit. But you know what? To me, the gin and tonic is just like the quintessential classic kind of Sunday afternoon drink, where you're just relaxing and you're hanging out, and it's refreshing, but it's also got flavor.
Well, and what we've done with this is we've added some of the fruit to it, so you get the orange, the lemon, and the lime, which makes it even better. So,
oh, yeah.
So actually, let's show you. This is one of the easy drinks to make.
Very easy.
Let's show you what it looks like. Really just a short while ago, if you wanted a gin and you wanted a great gin, the Brits did it right.
Yes,
they
absolutely.
Did right. We talk about
so
Hendrick's
true.
gin. Hendrick's gin is fabulous. And what's so cool about this one is we used a gin made from California grapes, and that is a superb gin. Just try it.
Tastes just like gin.
Yeah.
It doesn't have really, I mean, the consistency, I think you had said it before, consistency is a little more like a grape. Like you can tell that, but the flavor, it's got the juniper, it's got the herbs, it's got, a bunch of stuff that they put in there that really makes it delicious. Like, I love the citrus part of it because it's just something about combining the orange, the lemon, and the lime, it really gives you a different combination of flavors mixed together, like you said, with the quinine, with the gin and the juniper. It's a great herbally kind of citrus herbal drink. It's very refreshing.
I see it as a summer drink more than anything else. Could I have it in the winter? Absolutely.
Oh yeah, I'd have this in the winter by the fireplace, definitely.
And it just screams British Empire. And I go, you
Yes.
and I have had in our families, we have roots from the United Kingdom.
Absolutely.
And when you think of the citrus, and the citrus in there, the reason why they were called or nicknamed limeys, which was a derogatory term, was because they would suck on limes all the time because that's what gave them the vitamin C when they were to
fight off the different things for their immune system. Makes so much sense.
Yeah.
So it's an immunity protection drink as well, if you think about it.
And there's so much history in the gin and tonic, and if you get a chance, just take a look and look it up. But this is just a
it's
great
superb.
go-to.
I love it, and it's just a sophisticated drink, and really you can serve it in any glass. We put it in a highball. You could put it in anything, and it's going to be a sophisticated drink. It's just because it's British. Of course.
Yes.
What do you expect?
Of course.
So if you need to have the recipe, we've got it for you on undercoverjetsetter.com.
Just
click on mixology, and we'd love you to go try it out, and then tweet us at UC Foodie TV. Let us know what you think about it and how you like it, and if you have any other twists or ideas on the gin and tonic or any other cocktail for that matter, let us know. We'd love to hear from you.
Plus, on the mixology page is pretty pictures. Yes.
Check us out on Instagram too, by the way.
That's
Undercover
true.
Jetsetter.
Yeah.
We're on Instagram now, so we'd love to interact with you on Instagram too.
Cheers. Thank you.